Hello students, today I am hot cold, ঠান্ডা লেগে গেছে তো পুরো ভিডিও আমায় করতেই হবে। আজকে একটু নিচু ক্লাসের ভিডিও করব, ক্লাস 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 ভিডিও বলতে যে টপিকসটা আমি ঠিক করেছি সেটা হচ্ছে ফ্যাক্টরস অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপলস। ফ্যাক্টরস অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপলস, ফ্যাক্টরস অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপলস। What are factors? Exact divisor of a number. Divisors of a number are called factors. As for example, 6, which is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are the factors of 6. So 1 is also a factor of every number, and the number itself is the factor that is the largest factor of every number. So these are called factors. And multiples of a number is the product of the number with natural numbers. So a number has infinite number of multiples, maybe. That is that number into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 1 lakh, into 1 crore, and anything else maybe. But factors are limited. Factors, the number of factors of any given number is limited and it is countable. As for example, suppose first five multiples of 2. What will be that? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. So these are the first 5 multiples of 2. This is a way, but factors are two types. Factors may be two types. Factors can be of two types. One is all factors and other is prime factors. Prime factors. Now, how do you find both? Suppose a number is given to you 18. You will have to find its prime factors and all factors. How you will find? Suppose I'll show you. Suppose 18. 18 is prime factors in this way. 2, 9. Always do this prime factorization with the help of 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. by prime numbers. Not any composite number. Always do it by prime numbers. So 3 3s are 9. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. This is called prime factorization. It is called prime factorization of 18. Now how you will find all factors of 18? All factors of 18 can be obtained in this way. See, this is the actual procedure. 1 into 18 equal to 18, 2 into 9 equal to 18, 3 into 6 equal to 18, 4 not divisible, 5 not divisible, and 6 you will get here. So all these are the all factors of all these numbers from this to that up to this, from top to bottom and then bottom to top. All these numbers, that is all factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. You will see that 1 is the factor of all numbers and the number itself is the largest factor of the given number. So in this way you will get prime factors, all factors. Now we will go to the other side, that is prime factorization. What are the prime numbers? You know, prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Are those numbers which has only two factors, one and the number itself. And composite number are those numbers which have at least two prime factors. As for example, 4 is the smallest prime number. It is the smallest composite number, smallest composite number. And 2 is the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number which is also even. That is smallest even prime number, only even prime number is 2. And 4 is the smallest composite number. Now another one is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have no common factors other than 1. No common factor other than 1. It may not be prime number, may not be prime numbers. Suppose, as for example, 4 and 9. 4 is equal to 2 into 2 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3. In 9 there is no factor 2 and in 4 there is no factor 3. So 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Other co-prime numbers may be 3 and 5. These are prime numbers, but they have no common factors other than 1. So these are co-prime numbers. Then we will come twin prime. Twin prime numbers are those pair of numbers which has difference is 2. Difference is 2. As for example, 3, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are all twin prime numbers. And what are prime triplets? These are the things I am talking about here, basic things about the factors and multiples. Next time, in next class, I will discuss about the actual sums from the book. Here I am talking about prime triplets are those three pair, only one. You will get only one prime triplets which are separated by 2, separated by the value 2. Suppose as for example 357, it is the only prime triplets, because this type of number you will not get three consecutive prime numbers which are whose difference is 2. So here we will get some idea about factors, multiples, how do you find factors. Now I will tell you how you will get factor 3. Suppose factor 3, just like prime factorization in the tree form. Suppose it is 56, you will do it is, if it is divided by 2, you will get 28. If it is divided by 2, you will get 14. If you to multiply it by 2, you will get 7. By this way, you will get the factor 3 of 56. It is the process of getting 56. It is a factor 3. Now, uh, uh, you will get idea about what are prime numbers, co-prime numbers, prime triplets, then even number, odd number. You know, even numbers are those which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2. As for example, here 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. These numbers are even numbers, etc. up to infinity. All these infinite series. And here it is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to infinity. These are infinite series. So these are even numbers, and these are odd numbers. I have discussed about prime numbers, co-prime, prime triplets, factors, multiples, and from these we will come to the HCF and LCM. That is, what are highest common factor, what are the things, you will see it. I just erase and go to the next item, that is what is common factors, common factors and common multiples. Common factor, from common factors, what is the highest common factor? You will get highest common factor, and here you will get lowest common multiple, LCM. It is called HCF. It is called HCF, and it is lowest common multiple, that is LCM. And at first, suppose you are asked to find what are the common factors of 12 and 18. So what are the all factors? At first you will find all factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and all factors of, at first you will find these two, all factors you will find, all factors of 18 you will get here, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, all factors. Yes, here the common factors were, what are common factors? Common factors of 12 and 18 will get 1, including 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. You will get 1 through 1, 2, 3, 6. So what is the highest common factor? Then we will get highest common factor, highest common factor, what is 6? That is the HCF. So what is the HCF of 6 and 12 and 18 is 6. In this way, you can also find, this is a method of finding common factors from all factors. Now in this way, you can also find the common factors of, common multiples of 12 and 18. This is the common factors, you will get common multiples. Uh, Common multiples of 12 and 18 are 12 into 1, 12 into 2, 12 into 3, 12 into 4, 12 into 5, 12 into 6, in this way, and 18, 18 into 1, 18 into 2, 18 into 3, 18 into 4, 18 into 5, 18 into 6, 18 into 7. So it is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and here it is 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126. Now in this case you will find which is the common lowest common multiple. From here you will find, have to find lowest common multiple. Can you identify? 12, 18, 24, 36, 36. Lowest common multiple is 36. So 36 is the common multiple, lowest common multiple. In this case also you will get different multiples. More than this, it is the lowest one, and more than this you will get other multiples. So up to this today, I think you can understand about factors and multiples, how factors will be found, different types of factors, prime factor, all factors, multiples, different types of this I will discuss here. Next time I will discuss about the sums related to this chapter, that is factors and multiples for class 5 and 6. It is for class 5 and 6. It is a very fundamental idea about factors and multiples for the kids. I was thinking for a long time that I will do for the kids. So for 5 and 6 it is sufficient, not for 7, it is 6 is sufficient. You will get this type of explanation. Next I will go to sums. Okay, up today up to this.